again to Supergrads IPM YouTube channel. I'm here again with another big update, and that is IIM Kozhikode BMS aptitude test ke application forms are released, and in today's session we are going to see the form filling video of the BMS aptitude test 2026. The very first step, as I always say about, is going into parent website rather than filling the form from any other third party website. So the very first step is कि हमें official website पर ही जाके अपने application form को fill करना है. When you will go to the official website into Bachelors of Management Studies BMS page, you will see in the left hand side एक BMS admission का you will see one particular. When you will be clicking on the plus sign, तो आपको एक ऐसा ड्रॉप डाउन आएगा with three sections, that is subsections: admissions, useful documents, admission policy and procedure. So where you will be clicking admission पे you have to click. I have taken one more screenshot of the eligibility criteria because in other form filling videos I have seen students or aspirants उसके eligibility criteria भी पूछ रहे हैं. So for this time I have taken a screenshot and attached here. Eligibility, two major eligibilities are key. You must have successfully completed your class 12th or your diploma from a renowned board. Along with that, you should have done the schooling from any stream, any recognized stream. The second major eligibility is you must be able to produce the originals of mark sheets and the certificates that you are uploading here as of date stated is 1st June 2026. Then only the admissions are eligible for you. Now, the next step is apply online, but you have to click, and then you will get a notification like instructions here कि आपको कौन से version of Google Chrome या फिर Mozilla Fox, Microsoft Edge, कौन से versions पर you can fill this form, and other instructions as well कि date of birth, आपका जो name है as per the 10th mark sheet, ये सारी fill होनी चाहिए. So before filling ये सारे instructions पे please go through it thoroughly. Now the next procedure is with the basic details जो सारे forms ही देते हैं. So starting with name of the candidate, and it should be as per your 10th mark sheet या फिर SSC certificate, your date of birth, your activated email address, your country, your activated mobile number as well, क्योंकि वहाँ पे आपकी credentials आएंगे and वहाँ पे आपको OTP भी आएगा for the validation. तो when you will be giving your mobile number, your email address, तो आपको generate OTP करना पड़ेगा and वहाँ पे OTP आपकी email पे and in your SMS at the same time receive हो जाएगा. Validate करने के बाद when you will scroll down एक ऐसा table form आएगा where all the details will be written down here. Automatically आपको नहीं करना है, ये checkbox पे you have to click कि yes everything is correct. अगर correct नहीं है so you can fill that again, you can re-edit that. So cross check it twice or thrice कि ये सही address हुआ है कि नहीं, सही आपने fill किया है या फिर नहीं किया है. So I have hidden this due to the terms and conditions, and the submit button जब आप दबाओगे so you will get an instruction again that your registration has been successfully completed. It's about the registration. Your user ID and password have been sent on the registered email address and on your registered mobile number as well. Kindly click on log out on the top right side of this page and log in by using your ID and password that's been sent. Log out करने के बाद directly ये page खुलेगा to enter your user ID, your password, then enter the captcha given here, log in, and then the next step is आपको फिर से एक instruction देगा your registration has been successfully completed. Now kindly click on go to application on the top right. Go to application पे जाने के बाद comes the major part of the whole application, that is filling the whole details, and this is not a short form, ये काफी long procedure लेगा. So make sure you are free for around 1.5 hours to fill this correctly and with a calm mind. कमिंग टू द पर्सनल डिटेल्स, आपका कैंडिडेट नेम जो है वो ऑटो फिल हो जाएगा अलॉन्ग विथ योर डेट ऑफ बर्थ. अदर थिंग्स यू हैव टू फिल लाइक अगेन first name, middle name, last name, you have to fill it again. Your guardian's name, father, mother और जिन जो भी गार्जियन का नेम आपको डालना है. अदर पर्सनल डिटेल्स में डेट ऑफ बर्थ विल बी ऑटो फिल्ड. देन यू हैव टू कम टू जेंडर, नेशनैलिटी एंड योर कैटेगरी. अगर यू आर पर्सन विद डिसेबिलिटी, पीडब्ल्यूडी कैटेगरी में हो, सो यू हैव टू ऑप्शंस यस और नो. नाउ द कम्युनिकेशन एड्रेस, तो यहाँ पे आपका जो भी परमानेंट एड्रेस है वो आपको फिल करना है अलॉन्ग विथ योर स्ट्रीट, योर पिन कोड, योर कंट्री, टेरिटरी, डिस्ट्रिक्ट एंड योर ऑल्टरनेटिव ईमेल एड्रेस एज वेल. एंड yes, and primary email address and phone number is auto filled here again. परमानेंट एड्रेस अगर सेम है देन यू हैव टू क्लिक ऑन यस. अगर नहीं है तो नो करके फिल दैट अदर परमानेंट एड्रेस एज वेल. इमरजेंसी कॉन्टैक्ट डिटेल्स, इन केस ड्यू टू सम रीजन आपकी ईमेल एड्रेस एंड यू कैन नॉट एक्सेस टू योर ईमेल एड्रेस और योर फोन नंबर, यू हैव ऑल्टरनेटिव मोबाइल नंबर जहाँ पे आपके क्रेडेंशियल्स या फिर अदर थिंग्स जो रजिस्ट्रेशन के बाद होने वाले हैं they can contact to that person. उनका रिलेशन भी you have to write here. Now, two important things you have to upload here is your photograph firstly and your scanned signature as well. जिसपे you will be given a notification for instructions कि कितने size का होना चाहिए, कितना exceed नहीं करना चाहिए. So when you will be clicking here, click here to upload दोनों ही केसेस में. सो द नंबर विल बी गिवन दैट 512 KB से एक्सीड नहीं होना चाहिए और आपका कलर्ड फोटोग्राफ एंड सिग्नेचर होना चाहिए. सेव एंड नेक्स्ट पे क्लिक करने के बाद द नेक्स्ट स्टेप इज योर एकेडमिक्स, योर 10th एंड योर 12th के डिटेल्स. सो क्वालिफिकेशन एग्जाम ये आपका अगेन ऑटो फिल्ड है कि यू आर अप्लाइंग फॉर IIM Kozhikode BMS 2026. Now, here you have to give your board name, month along with the year of completion, your maximum marks obtained and aggregate percentage. ये aggregate percentage जो है ये आपको खुद निकालना पड़ेगा. यहाँ पे खुद से ये ऑटोफिल नहीं होगा क्योंकि यूजुअली ऐसा होता है कि when you give your maximum marks and your total marks, तो जो परसेंटेज रहता है वो ऑटोफिल हो जाता है, वहाँ पे वो खुद ही कैलकुलेट हो जाता है. बट हियर यू हैव टू कैलकुलेट बाय योरसेल्फ एंड देन ब्रॉट इट डाउन. नाउ कम्स द 12th इक्विवेलेंट. उसमें भी सेम प्रोसीजर है. आपको कौन सा 12th इक्विवेलेंट है या फिर डिप्लोमा है, व्हाटएवर डिग्री यू हैव टेकन, maximum marks, total marks and your aggregate percentage again you have to calculate it. Coming other academic qualification details, if you have yes करोगे तो again you will have certain options. No है तो click it no. Other professional qualifications, if you have any, are you a fellow of the Institute of India, ये no कर देना because yes you don't have to take if you want to take other degrees as well, you can select as per your professional qualification. Now this is the thing जो screenshot पे visible अभी दिख रहा होगा. FIAI, fellow of the Institution of Actuaries of India, or do you want to enter any professional qualification? So here usually यहाँ पे हमको no click करना है. Save and next. The next process is yes the extracurriculars. The very good part of the form is this particular page of extracurricular activities, because यहाँ पे they are giving you the opportunity to write whatever extra things you have done along with your academics as well. So any leadership role and involvement if you have taken in your 10th, diploma or 12th, you can specify it here with the maximum 500 character limits. Another, if you have done good in sports, you can write you can tick and ये option खुल जाएगा box पे लिखने का, which is जिसकी limit है 500. ठीक है. Then clubs and societies, if you have managed it, if you were involved in it, ये सारी डिटेल्स भी आप लिख सकते हो along with volunteer work or community services. So it's a good opportunity. If you have done any extracurricular activities, you are good to go with this part. Then comes your personal statement. Well, why are you interested in IIM Kozhikode BMS program? This is something being asked in interviews. So you have to write in that form. पूरा ही chat GPT words में मत लिख देना. Make it a little bit of detailed kind of answer. Make it a kind of answer that you would love to address in front of a panelist. Now, personal and professional goals, whatever you are liking, maybe into management, maybe into particularly the BMS program, you can write here. Next, the test city preferences, they are giving you approx 5, I think. Yes, there are 5 city preferences that you can give. जिसमें से exam city preference के लिए you have a long list. ठीक है, you have multiple options in the city preferences for exam, but personal interview cities के लिए you have limited options. इसके लिए you have limited options. चेन्नई, कोझिकोड, न्यू दिल्ली, मुंबई, ये सारे options थे only for personal interview city round preferences. Now comes the major part again, the registration fees. The registration fees for IIM Kozhikode BMS aptitude test is 4,250. यहाँ पे automatically आपका candidate name आपका आ जाएगा. Click on online, click on this check box, enter the captcha given here. When you will submit the net banking का जो भी आपका process रहता है वो यहाँ पे show हो जाएगा कि आप ऑनलाइन पे कर रहे हो विथ वॉट एवर क्रेडिट कार्ड है, डेबिट कार्ड है, या विच एवर फॉर्म इट इज. ठीक है, सो दैट वाज ऑल फ्रॉम माय साइड. अगेन आई होप you all fill this registration form with zero mistake, and in case you find any further doubts and inquiries, you can feel free to use the comment section given below always. And don't forget to subscribe our Telegram channel, because wahan pe bhi many of the aspirants, many students send their screenshot ki can you help with us, so we mentor them with that specific procedure and take it further. So that was all from my side. I hope the session was useful for you. Thank you so much.